Alright, so I thought I'd do a little commentary on this guy. He's a little interesting. I don't know if you guys have ever seen him. He is... What's his name? Let's look. Mr. Fix-All. It is comedy. He says you cannot paint a straight line unless you use tape. So, he's showing everybody how straight his lines are in this room. Let's take a look at it. So anyway, he's running the camera around the room and he's showing how wonderfully straight his lines are because he used tape, which to me, if you're a painter and you've been painting for a long time, you ought to not be using tape. You should be able to paint straight lines, period. And you guys that are painters on my channel will agree, and I'm certain that some of you guys can paint straighter than this. Okay, if you're gonna brag about it, make sure it's straight. Okay, come on, let's take a look. Let's listen to this guy for a second. He's pretty comedy. Let's listen to this. Let's
go into a corner where everybody has problems.
How many of you guys have problems in corners? You guys have been doing this a while. Come on, you don't have problems in corners. You know how to paint in a corner. You back your brush up in there and you get it right.
No, I didn't think so.
Okay.
Not happening.
Mr. Fix-All, guess what?
It's all tight.
There is painters that paint without using tape. Maybe you guys should put some comments on his channel. It's pretty funny. Anyway, this guy is pretty hilarious. Hang on, let's see if we can get some more of his stuff. I'll put some more stuff on this. Hang on a second. You guys got to listen to this. He's talking about how he stained these doors, and I mean, listen. Let's back up a second here. Now, take a look at these doors. I mean, I don't know if you can even see this in the camera here, but you can see the worst, nastiest brush mark of color stain. In other words, he didn't wipe the stain on the door. Obviously, maybe these were painted doors and he's doing them into stain. I don't really know. But, you know, honestly, if I was doing this, I'd be talking about how it was faux stain and how that's the way it's supposed to look or something. But he's just sitting there all proud. And he had people coming over and watching this. And he says, oh, wait, I'll let you listen to him. Let's check it out. This is funny.
If you've never stained doors like this in polyurethane and it's your first attempt, I would highly suggest that you go take a class and you get some experience.
Take a class.
A set of $2,500.
Let me tell you.
Mahogany door.
Who needs to take a class? Oh, it's a mahogany door, he just said. He says, who needs to take a class? Look at that fat brush mark right there. You tell me who needs, look at that. You tell me who needs to take a class on how to stain a door. It's called, dude, you wipe it with a rag. You strip the door and you wipe it with a rag. What is that? That is brushed on stain and left it that way on a nice, beautiful mahogany door. Comedy. This guy is absolutely comedy. Hang on, let's. The other thing that cracks me up, man, he just has the blue tape everywhere. I'm looking for this one video, and he goes through this house, and obviously the CertaPro painters came in, and honestly, you guys know who CertaPro is. They're huge. They're all over the nation. Who do they hire? The cheapest labor they can get. They get the cheapest painters they can get. They pay everybody crap, and they do. I've never seen anything that looked good that they did. Okay, so, and he's talking about how the lines are all crooked and there's paint all over the trim. Well, duh, the guys didn't do it right. I mean, they weren't painters. Obviously, they had cheap labor to do the job. And he's talking about, you can't paint unless you use tape. This guy is just comedy. You got to watch his channel. He is hilarious. Hang on a second. All right, so let's take a look here as he peels off his paint and talks about how great and straight his lines are. I mean, he must have spent 2 or 3 days taping this room off, and then going in and painting it. I mean, who gets that much money for something? I mean, when do you get, enough money to spend 3 or 4 days in a bedroom when you can just paint it and brush a straight line? It's just comedy. It is absolutely hilarious. And look at the bleed through. He's talking about, oh, there's no 99% no bleed through. If I busted out tape like that in a custom home, they would throw me out so fast that I wouldn't even be able to find it. You'd be gone. You start busting out tape. You go to one of these nice, beautiful custom homes. You start taping off, and then get your brush out and start painting the walls. They're gonna look at you and say, "I'm sorry, sir. You're gonna have to leave. You're out of here. I'm gonna go find somebody who's a painter." I mean, that's what it's like here where I live. I don't know about you guys, but it's just hilarious. This guy's funny. Anyway, he's let's take a look here. What's his name again? Oh God, he's funny. But Mr. Fix-All. Maybe he should just stick to fixing and not painting. Maybe hire somebody else to do the job. Oh, there it is. Look at. Oh, look at. Oh, just a little bit. He says, "That's just a little bit." And he did all that work taping, and guess what? Now he's got to go back and touch up. Dude, man. And look at the line. You can see that it's just, there's just tape edge all the way along there. It just looks like it had tape on it. My God, what a joke. All right, talk to you guys in the next video.